First, remove screws and adjustment panel from WallDrain. Measure from the wall to the center of the drain and measure the overall shower width. Record these measurements to modify the vertical installation panel. Mark and cut vertical installation panel to fit. Then, connect the drain to the waste pipe with approved 2-band coupling. Slide the drain body into place. Secure the vertical installation panel to the framing. Next, install included 1-inch furring strips. Then install the backer board 8.5 inches above the horizontal flange of the drain over the vertical installation panel and furring strips using 2.5-inch screws.